Welcome to my Blooming TV. Today in Bloom's Kitchen, I'm going to be sharing another really easy and delicious recipe with you. We are going to be making fresh blueberry muffins. A friend of mine dropped off some fresh blueberries for me yesterday, and I'm going to be sharing this really easy recipe. Feel free to play around with the ingredients. Some of them are optional. And with this blueberry muffin, I'm also going to be making blueberry smoothies. And you can choose to have these smoothies on its own. It's very filling, or you can have it with your blueberry muffin. I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for the views, your comments, your shares. And please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Enjoy this video, and let's get right to the ingredients. Is for 24 muffins. I will leave the measurement for 12 muffins in the description box. That way you can double it if you want. So I'll be using 4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 4 cups of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of margarine. If you are using butter, just make sure it's at room temperature and it's softened. 1 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of, or 2 teaspoons, sorry, of pure vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And for the smoothie, I'm going to be using watermelon, some fresh blueberries, half a banana, a little bit of ginger, and beets. So if this smoothie is for a child or for children, you can omit ginger and beets and just make it like a fruit smoothie. And you can mix any fruit variety of your choice. And I'm going to be using a single serve cup to blend my smoothies. And also you need a muffin pan. I have lined this already with paper, and any scoop will do. So we'll start first by creaming the margarine and the sugar together, and then we'll go on from there. Thank you. muffins are ready. And over here I have the blueberry smoothie, and the taste is amazing. Like I said, you can do any combination of fruit or vegetable choice for your smoothie. And sometimes I add a little bit of cayenne pepper just to give you a little bit of a kick and to increase your metabolism. These blueberry muffins are really easy to make and really yummy. So I've been waiting for it to cool down a little bit before I try it. Thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting time on my Blooming TV. Please do not forget to like, enjoy this video, and share with your friends. Until next time, when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day.